Say what's up, guys. We're just hanging out in Patty Mayo, practicing our driving skills. Showing everybody all the sand in your ears. Showing them P Mayo. This is what it looks like from the driver's seat. We got the big red button. This is our lifesaver right here. Huh.
What is freaking up, everybody? Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries. My name is Jonathan. We got Krista and Baby Miles over there. Mine is Colt, who won't return my phone calls. A lot of this video, you're gonna see me ragging on one of my best friends, Colt and Bobby, because he doesn't want to freaking show up on Labor Day weekend. I bet he's gonna surprise us. He's gonna come out of nowhere and say, surprise! We're back at St. Anthony's for Labor Day. It's the only place we go for Labor Day because it's the right place to be. We got Trevor from Invasion over there. He's broken down. He's only got like 1/4 of his body working. We got the giveaway car. If you guys are interested in winning this car or the Pro R that's boosted, go buy some merch at utvinvasion.com. I get no money, by the way, for talking about this. We got a whole mob of people just hanging out here at Choke. It's about 6 o'clock. We got here yesterday. Didn't really want to start recording. I'm actually recording on the GoPro. We're going back old school, at least for a little while, because my stupid self left. I left the DJI and Justin from Lulu's Off-Road. I left it in his car, so he's sending it back to me. Made it back to camp. I think I blew a chunk of belt out earlier. I'm just gonna change it, put a new one on, because actually the belt I put on here was a used one and it's been on since Winchester, and I've done some riding since then. So the dreaded Pro R. It's time to pull this apart really quick, guys. Let's see what this belt looks like real quick. Turns out the belt is okay. If you guys are changing belts and you're new into this world, just so you know, I look over all of it and try to see if there's any parts of this section here that's like cutting into, because once that starts to happen, I'll give you an example right here. I don't know how well the GoPro picks it up, but there's kind of a little hole section there starting to burn through, and once that starts happening, your belt's getting into the zone to where it's about to exit the chat. Now, I'm not saying that you should change your belt if it looks like this and you're trail riding and you don't mash it, but when you have a 300+ horsepower car and you're ripping through the dunes, you tend to burn up belts quicker. Ever since I put the new primary and the Ibex clutching, though, my belts have actually been lasting a lot longer. Yeah, so yeah, little section right there. And these, honestly, in the trail, this belt would probably last 1,000 more miles, just not romping on it, but I don't know how to keep my foot off the gas. So we're gonna keep this as a decent spare. A get out of jail free card kind of thing. We'll throw a new one on. All right, guys, we made it over here to the Cookout. Trevor's throwing it. Who's actually throwing this Cookout? Is it Invasion? Is it you?
It's Ibex.
Is it Ibex? It's Ibex. Nice.
It's Ibex. I'm wearing multiple hats.
Multiple hats. Even though he has one, he actually has 3 underneath it. Yep. We're gonna eat some burgers, guys. We're gonna go out for a nice, super fun rip out to Devils, and then after that, who knows what the night holds. But I'm here with my buddy Eric. He just got one of the Ibex economy kits, throwing on his brand new 25 Pro R. I am a dealer for Ibex. If you're looking for a good deal on a affordable turbo kit, this is the one. So brand new 25 Pro R, it's right on there. I'm a dealer for everybody, but I do love the guys over at Ibex. They've taken really, really good care of me. Are you excited to try it out? He's eating food, guys. He has an entire 12-inch dog sitting in his mouth right now, and he's chewing it up. I'm sorry, guys, but we're gonna get his comments after and see how he feels about it. own little pace. We survived, so that's good. We're here now. We're gonna do a little wheeling. It's not technically invasion because BLM wouldn't allow it this year because they're poo-poo pants. But anyways, we're still gonna just come out and have some fun. So we're gonna do some wheelies. I think we got LaRue is out here, Dallin with Desert Side-by-Sides out here. And we're just gonna do some wheelies and stuff, guys. Kim, did you really bring chairs? Really? Wow. I mean, I'm not mad. I would do that too. First up, we got Trevor. Let's see if he can get it up there, guys. Almost. It was a little baby wheelie. Good job, Trevor. I can't wheelie at all, so I got no room. If you get 3 inches off the ground, you're doing better than me. How are you gonna play with us like that? Okay, we have officially moved everybody out of the danger zone, and now it's time for people to take flight. That was spicy.
We'll just come to the top and go.
Yeah, when you have that kind of power, it's like, I don't even know what that thing has, 700, 800, 2,000?
1 billion.
1 billion horsepower. Boy, these big girls are getting up in the sky, man. They literally must have like sky miles. There's no way in the world they don't have them to get 4-seaters up in the air like that. 4-seaters. You gave it your best, little pro. Get at me if you want a supercharger or a turbo kit for your car. I will hook you up. I'm not saying that car's slow.
Dude, it's so badass.
I'm gonna say the opposite. That car is freaking fast, dude.
Yeah. Dude, so sick.
Tractor for the win, baby. All right, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to film this at a light. The car that just won was a Packer car. I can get you a Packer supercharger kit. Let's see what happens the second go around. Okay, guys. I think LaRue and Jed are gonna go against it again. LaRue's car has a lot more power, guys. Oh my God. I think Jed just blew a belt, I'm guessing. And the beat goes on, guys. Baby Miles has found his first Milwaukee. Absolutely not. We're cheap. We're doing DeWalt. We can't afford that.
Harbor Freight.
We can't afford that, bro.
He's used to the good stuff.
He's pretty smart.
Good job.
Oh, he wants the socket. I love you, Miles. I love you. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching the first part of our St. Anthony series. I'm so sorry I didn't drop a video on Sunday. I started it, and then we went to the sand show. We just had a freaking blast with all of our friends. So videos will be back on schedule. Sunday is going to have a pretty long, fun video, so I couldn't really drop off this video and bring it into the next one without rolling into like a whole nother section of action, and I just don't have the time to edit it right now. But instead, I'm going to take the time to work on editing a pretty long and super fun video where we did a really big, huge group ride with Trevor from Invasion, and we had Idaho Dunes adventures and the helicopter recording us. So I'm going to try to focus my attention on that, and it's going to be dropping on Sunday, and then after that, maybe one more St. Anthony's if I squeeze it into Wednesday, or it's going into the Sand Sports Show. And then we are actually headed out at the end of this week, and we're going to Winoka, Oklahoma with Trevor. We are going to come to see some of you Oklahoma peeps and have a blast at the Little Sahara Sand Dunes in Oklahoma next week. So hope you enjoyed this quick little video that I'm throwing together for Wednesday, and then after that, Sunday is going to be an awesome video with tons of multiple points of view, and it's just going to be a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. We love y'all a ton, and hope y'all have a great night. Say goodbye.
Oh, also, I'm going to drop a link in the description below for you guys to go and vote for Baby Miles in the Baby of the Year contest. So, yeah, do that. That would be awesome.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, please go to the link below and vote for Baby Miles if you made it this far, because there's a little bit of money that we can start his little savings fund with and everything else. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. So if you could go there and vote, that would be really awesome, because he is the cutest baby in the world, at least to us. So all right, have a great night. See ya. Love you. Bye.